So now let's take a look at some important applications of face detection. One of them is the use of face detection in cameras today. Pretty much every smartphone has face detection running in the background. That is, if you wanted to take a picture of a scene with people in it, when you turn on the camera app, you actually go into what's called a preview mode. In this preview mode, face detection is running in real time. All the faces are found. And since we typically want faces to be of high quality in photographs, the parameters of the camera are adjusted based on the quality of the faces. That is, the focus of the camera, the exposure of the camera, the color balancing parameters are all set so as to make the faces look particularly good. So, face detection is now extensively used in photography, in particular in mobile cameras. And then there is a problem of visual search. So in a search engine, if you run a query such as this, it says gates here, you find physical gates like this, and you find people with the name Gates as well. But if you are particularly interested in people, then you can click this button right here which says face, and then it's only going to show you images with faces in them, and therefore people with possibly the name Gates, as you can see right here. And then there is this application of face detection for what we'll call intelligent marketing. This is a vending machine that I came across in Shinagawa Station in Japan. When you walk up to it, it detects your gender and your rough age within, say, 5 years. And based on that, that is your demographic information, it presents various products to you on the display that might be of interest to you. And of course, face detection in this context is also used in malls, say, for instance, to understand where people spend a lot of their time and what they're looking at, so that that information can be used to price the location of various stores and advertisements in physical malls. And then, of course, you have the very important application of face detection and recognition in the context of biometrics and security. So in this context, essentially, you're looking at public spaces, or it could be closed indoor spaces. Face detection and recognition can be used to give you access to a space and to also look for suspicious people in public spaces.